You might wonder why I'm making it look so simple. I'm making it look simple, not easy. I don't use the word easy. I say simple. The truth is, it is very simple. To go within is very simple. Just forget the body, forget this thing and go in. That's all. Why is it not easy? Attachments. Desires and attachments only are stopping it. Mind. Mind is the only thing coming in the way on a very simple process of discovering yourself. So that is why most of the talks that these masters are giving us are to the mind. Do meditation, try hard, try more. Oh, I'm trying very hard, I'll try even more. They don't tell you the truth. Trying will never give you anything. It's not a game of trying. It's a game of something which you've forgotten. It's a game of love. It's a game of love can pull you. That's a different game altogether. But you want to understand it. Okay, understand it. Work hard. How to pull your attention inside. Do heavy meditation. Do more. Follow the strict diet lines. Follow this rule. Follow all the rules so that you can get something inside. All this is directed to our minds. Minds love it. Not only love it, they want it. They won't do without it. They won't accept anything without it. Why? They have been trained. Without struggle, you get nothing. Without effort, nothing can be attained. Then how can we attain something without effort? On spiritual side, it should be the same rule. It's not the same rule. There's a rule, mental three realms. Imagine, not only here. 3 realms exist. Physical, astral, causal, where effort works. Where effort is part of karmic patterns. Effort is part of destiny. And it works to create results of its own kind. But what takes you beyond the mind is something that pulls you from beyond the mind where no effort exists. There no mind exists, but love exists. Masters pull us by their love. They make us do meditation for our mind. It's the truth, nobody wants to hear from me. People even challenge me for that. Why are you telling people that meditation won't take you anywhere, love will take you everywhere, and then you ask people to meditate? I say, I tell them the truth, they can't digest it, so tell them the other thing. It's simple. The truth is not what our mind is trying to understand. Our mind is working differently. Our mind wants to struggle, wants to find, achieve something. I has to rise. I will go there. I'll go to my true home. When the I goes to true home, I is left on the way, halfway. There's no I there.